A pleasant morning to everyone. Welcome to the Code Your Future webinar with StackTrek in collaboration, of course, with the Department of Information and Communications Technology, Jumpstarting Your Tech Career. I am Casey and I will be your host for this morning. So, in today's session, you will be able to learn a few things. We have the five career trends, why IT professionals continue to be highly paid, the three steps to get you started in programming, and the most exciting part is to code your first program in 15 minutes. Now, I would like to remind all of our participants to type enrolled once you have enrolled in the sample bootcamp already for the demo later. So again, type enrolled once you're done, once you're all set up and good for later. And if you haven't yet, go to bit.ly/code your future class to buy the course. There is a promo code. We have uh, big letters X Q O, small letter C Y N, big letters W, and small letter S, or as flashed here. Now, for those of you who are having a hard time also enrolling, or uh, if there is a prompt that says it's an invalid key, you may also use this alternative code. I will also be flashing it here so you guys can see it. This is the alternative code for a while. Here you go. All right, so there is another code here. You can also use the big letter K, small letter C, 9, small letters A, Q, big letter C, small letters Y, M. So please go ahead and enroll now so that you will have enough time for coding your program later. All right. And I would also like to inform everyone that only those who completed the pre-session assignment, confirmed attendance, and completed the coding activity will be given the digital certificate of participation, because that's our goal for this morning, for you to be able to code your first program. All right. Now, without further ado, and to give us the welcome message, we have here joining with us. All right. So we have here joining with us the executive assistant of the DICT Office of the Undersecretary for Government Digital Broadcast Television, the digitization of the entertainment industry sector, and emerging technologies. We have Ray Emmanuel Kiason. Let's give him a warm welcome. Good morning, Ray.
Good morning, Casey. Thank you very much for that wonderful introduction. Distinguished guests, partners from the public and private sectors, students from various schools, our good friends in StackTrek, of course, to the Undersecretary Arnold Aliatienza from our office, and my other colleagues at the DICT. Ladies and gentlemen, good morning. I am filling in for the Honorable Undersecretary today, but our excitement for this webinar definitely still remains the same. Here at the department, we continue to lead the country's initiatives towards transitioning into a more robust digital economy. Crucial part for achieving this noble goal is preparing our workforce to face, adapt, and excel in various digital fields that are prevalent today. The 21st century has made it apparent that information and communications technologies are now serving as a key enabler of economic growth and competitiveness with amongst countries, worldwide. And through our actions, including our collaboration with StackTrek, we hope to future-proof our programs and projects, helping rebuild our national economy from this pandemic period and beyond. Under our Philippine Digital Transformation Initiatives presented in 2020 is the CHIP conceptual framework, which is a report on digitalization and the identification of key reforms and policy measures aimed at enabling the Philippines to fully harness the benefits of a digital economy. course, relevant to today's event is the H in chip, which stands for harness. Through this initiative, we endeavor to devote resources to improving the digital education, skills, and jobs for Filipino educators, learners, and workers through our various programs, such as the ICT Academy, the Digital Jobs PH, and Tech for Ed programs, the Digital Cities and Provinces program, and collaborations with pertinent private institutions. Through this collaboration drive that we are excited to be assisting StackTrek with their goal to provide free programming modules. Basically, any Filipino who may want to learn, earn, or change careers into the IT industry. Their platform utilizes algorithms and data to assess, analyze, and improve programmer capability. Through this technology called talent analytics, they aim to tap into the immense potential our Filipino learners and workers have, while also granting them the chance to get hired by the best tech firms in the world today. Allow me to reiterate that this entire offering is for free. They are sharing with us approximately a million online programming fundamental courses with certificates to any kind of learner, non coders, beginner programmers, senior, high school students, college students, and even career shifters. This is certainly something that our workforce and our students should not miss on. Therefore, I would like to thank StackTrek for this prospect, as through this, not only will we be able to fulfill the initiatives of the framework, nor just address the global shortage for tech talent, but also improve the very quality of life of our fellow Filipinos, a brighter digital landscape into a prosperous future. We look forward to our future projects, starting with our webinar today entitled Jumpstarting Your Tech Career. Maraming salamat and stay safe.
There you have it. Thank you very much, Ray, for that very uh, uplifting and inspiring message for our participants. Indeed, we are, our goal here is to really help, especially our Filipinos, to be up to date, especially when it comes to the IT industry. Thank you very much, Ray. All right. Okay. Let me bring up. Okay, there you go. Now, by the way, for those who have pages that can't be found or the pages are not loading, kindly clear the cache and open the link again, and then comment if you have enrolled already. All right, so just refresh the link or clear the cache and then open the link again. Okay, now for let's proceed with our program. We are going to call on the business development manager of StackTrek to share with us the 5 career trends why IT professionals continue to be highly paid. Please help me welcome Isabella Jillian Alvarez.
All right. Thank you so much, AC. So, hello everyone. Good morning. Thank you for that sweet introduction, Casey. So, I'd like to greet all of our viewers from Facebook and YouTube. We have from different parts of the Philippines, no? So, we are very glad to be with you, and we are very happy that you were able to join with us this morning. Right? Okay. So, are you all ready? Okay. So, as what our host has mentioned earlier, so I will be talking about the 5 career trends and why IT professionals continue to be highly paid. And also, you will also be learning how to code your first program in 15 minutes later. So I know you're all excited, but let me start first. This is just gonna be a quick talk. All right. Okay, so before I proceed to the main topic, I'd like to introduce to you StackTrek. Okay, so this is basically the organization uh, I am in, and one of the uh, heads and brains behind this Code Your Future initiative in collaboration with the ICT. So basically, StackTrek, if you haven't heard, paano, we are a tech platform focused on developing programming talent and connecting them with career opportunities. Okay, so our main mission here is to close the opportunity gap in tech by providing everyone equal access to quality tech education and employment opportunities. Okay, so whether you're a student, whether you're a professional with a different degree, not specifically from the IT industry, whether you're a career shifter, okay, it doesn't matter as long as you are willing to learn, no? So we are willing also to help you or provide you, okay, quality tech education, and of course to possibly connect you with possible employment opportunities. To know more, you may visit us at stacktrek.com, or you can visit our Facebook page. Okay. And also, since in connection to our mission, StackTrek just launched Stack League. Okay, for those who are not familiar and for those who have just joined the event, you can visit stackleague.com. Stack League actually is the nation's or the Philippines' largest online programming league, right? So we partner with the different and the biggest technology companies in the Philippines: Microsoft, GCash, AWS, Accenture, Viber, JobStreet, and many more. All right. So this is a year-round programming competition, and of course, we will be giving away cash prizes. So as you can see on your screen, we are giving away 10 million worth of cash prizes and other giveaways, tech job opportunities, tech trainings, okay, and thousands of giveaways. So if you're interested to start your career in programming, you could just simply create your account at stackleague.com. All right, so segue lang yung ano, sinegue lang yung initiative. And of course, this is what we are doing right now, one of the initiatives of StackTrek in relation to its mission. No? So the main mission of this initiative, Code Your Future, which is in collaboration with the ICT, is to produce more job-ready programmers. All right? So this is what we are calling an ambitious all hands on deck initiative to get young men, not only young, no, but siguro even people who are young at heart, young men and women, people of any gender, any age, and any status in the Philippines, learn coding or get yourselves into coding, right? So, when we say coding kasi, most of the people are parang they are they're afraid, no, because of course it's a very some a challenging um course, or a challenging what do you call that, medyo challenging talaga yung programming. I can attest to that. I have my fair share of programming way back in college, and it was really not for me. So this is a joint effort with the DICT again, okay? And of course, the objective here is to transform the next generation into successful tech professionals. Okay. So if you've also read this one, somewhere else, no, na the top 10 salaries in the Philippines by specialization and job level. So FYI, okay, IT is now the highest paid profession in the Philippines. Do you know how much an IT professional earns an average monthly? Can you type in the comment section? Just a ano lang, wild guess, or if you are an IT professional yourself, maybe you could share the average you are earning monthly, right? Sige, kakaalaman na. We have 50,000, 60K minimum. Parang gusto ko na maging programmer. Parang gusto ko na 'tong iwan 'tong job. 50K, right, right. 25K, dami. Entry level pa lang yan, entry level pa lang. Okay? So, 70K for web design. 6, may isa parang, parang, what do you call this? Censored. 6 digits daw. Basta 6 digits. So, kayo na, bahala, manghula. Alright. So, thank you guys, no. So, again, it is undeniably, no, that the IT professionals are one of the highest paid profession in the Philippines. So, with our we have right now 338 viewers, no. 330 viewers. So, uh can I know ilan yung mga IT professionals here, or ilan yung mga aspiring IT professionals now that you know that IT is one of the highest paid professions? Would you like to shift or to transfer into another career? All right. Sige. So, question now is why the IT industry is a good career choice? Okay? Um Sige. So let's proceed with the first reason. Okay? First is quick employment. Why quick employment? Okay? So right now, tech companies are looking to hire IT professionals because the demand is high. Okay? And there aren't enough qualified workers to fill the gap. Do you agree with this one? Um, do we have some IT professional friends here with us right now? We have here career shifters, headhunters specialized in would like to shift. Wow, okay. So yung mga IT graduate, patuloy nyo na, patuloy nyo na. Wag na kayong wag na kayong umalis sa IT industry, ha. That is a very good path already. So, wag na kayong umalis, no. So, yes, right now the demand is really high to the point na yung mga companies nag-aagawan na sila, 'di ba? So, imagine if you're an IT professional, pinag-aagawan ka ng mga tao. So, dito ka na sa IT industry, all right? So, of course, and this trend, no, wherein the demand is high and the qualified workers are not enough, won't end anytime soon. Okay, as the tech industry is set to grow a higher percentage in the next few years, 'di ba? One good thing about technology kasi is it's continuously growing, it's continuously improving, right? So, parang walang talo. Sana all pinag-aagawan, no? Yes, but some IT companies has the highest expectations. Totoo naman kasi, of course, those IT companies also deliver very good and high quality, di ba? So, I think they also have parang, they have a reason or valid yung attitude nila na medyo mataas yung expectation nila. Alright? So, second reason, okay? A variety of career opportunities. Alright? So, as we all know, IT or information technology is a versatile career. Do you also agree? Parang wala pang nag-disagree sa akin. No, it is not an isolated industry. When you talk about information technology, di lang siya limited to programming, no? Di lang siya limited to technology. With nowadays, almost all of the industry uses technology or needs IT, 'di ba? So right now, from healthcare, no, to agriculture, even agriculture uses technology already, right? So digital transformation is driving change in all spheres of business, which allows IT professionals to choose a career that aligns with their interests. So siguro if you're an IT professional, tapos you are somehow a frustrated medical person, like parang ganon, so you could get a job in the healthcare industry. Siguro as an IT professional still, no? Or you could be an IT professional in the banking industry, that's also possible, no? So there's a variety, a wide uh, list of opportunities that awaits you. Third is an easy career growth, okay? So as technology improves, IT professionals evolve alongside, right? Uh it one actually it's a good side and parang may downside din, no, kasi again technology is moving very fast. So of course you as an IT professional, you are required to also improve your skills along with the improvement of technology, no? So it's a job requirement uh, that you have to really level up your skills, no? So, and of course, with the constant pursuit of knowledge and the emerging trends and technologies that is happening, no? It allows you as a professional to grow your career much faster and easier than in other industries. And what's a good thing about here in the IT industry is what I also observed is everyone is willing to help each other, no? Uh, you can you can tap your programmer friends. Uy, ano yung code mo sa ganitong problem? 'Di ba? Parang they are willing to help you or to give. Okay lang na i-copy mo siya, 'di ba? So, and of course, it's not unheard for tech professionals to start at entry level and move to a mid-level managerial position within a few years, no? Mas mabilis yung promotion, but that would also depend on the company then. So just like it is unusual to see companies seek out talented students before they receive their degrees, right? And the fourth and most importantly siguro, it pays well, right? Do you agree or baka may mag-disagree dito? So tech professionals are esteemed for their unique skill sets, no? If you're a programmer, if you are in the IT industry, you have this unique skill sets na yun, kasi programming or coding is not an easy job, no? It's not an easy task. It's not an easy subject to learn, okay? That's what makes the IT professionals an invaluable assets or in any business, okay? So when it comes to the financial compensation, it's substantially higher than the average norm even at a junior at or entry level position, no? Because again it's not easy to code, so of course the companies should be paying you because of that certain skill set that you have, okay. And lastly, a reasonable education, okay? So siguro since every job in the IT industry requires a unique set of skills, 'di ba? There are different positions in the IT industry. So to qualify for a position, the candidates usually have to demonstrate the right amount of technical expertise and provide proof of education and some experience, 'di ba? Yun yung usually or mostly, especially here in the Philippines. However, right now, sorry, um being a programmer does not necessarily need na a 4-year university degree. Okay? Again, not all ha, but there are companies who consider, no, they won't mind if you're a degree holder or if you graduated from a very prominent university, no? As long as you're able to present or to demonstrate, no, the right amount of technical expertise that you have, no, if you have the right certification and display an aptitude for completing tasks, then usually they would give you an entry level position. The companies would give you an entry level position. So when it comes to certification training programs, they are faster and far less expensive than a full degree in computer science. Do you agree? So right now, there are organizations who offer free trainings, free seminars, just like what we're doing right now, no? Very reasonable education. And there are already platforms that you can study programming or coding of different programming languages, and one of them is Stack League. So you can practice your programming skills in Stack League, and also in this initiative that we have. No, so there are a lot of available education already if you'd like to shift into programming. All right. So there you have it. I hope I have encouraged you guys to choose, not really choose, no, but I've presented you um, why IT industry is a very good career choice. All right. So I think I'm all done, and I can see some comments. I think everyone is kind of busy. So enrolling in their courses. So okay, continue with that one. So maybe I could read this one. IT professionals here, but I'm not on the field and continuously learning by self-paced. More skills is okay rather than more certificates. Agree. Agree. No, kasi yun nga, if you're not able to, what do you call this one? To demonstrate your actual technical expertise. So, parang your certificates will be of no value, 'di ba? Yung ano talaga, yung actual talaga na expertise, right? So I hope we will be doing a Q&A portion later part. So maybe we could try to cater all of your questions later. So for now, I'd like to turn it back to Casey.
Thank you very much, Isai, for that very brief but comprehensive presentation. Indeed, there are so many opportunities for you guys here in the IT industry. Now, I would like to remind all all of those who can't access or who can't enroll to the course to go to stacktrek.com. Let me flash that here. Go to stacktrek.com, and our Ariasa will be walking you through on how to do or how to go over the course later. So again, go to stacktrack.com. If you're having a hard time enrolling, if you did already clear the cache and reload, so it's still not working, go to stacktrack.com, and we will be assisting you later on. All right, now let's continue. Also, there is a we have commented also the link for the YouTube stream if you guys want to watch the session live. All right, now let's continue with our program. We will now dive into the very exciting part of our session this morning. And to help us equip ourselves with the basic skills in programming, we have here we have the oops, I'll put up the screen again. There you go. Okay, so we have with us here or joining us here the product manager of StackTrek who will give us the three steps to get you started in programming. Let's all give a warm welcome to Ariesa Ko. Good morning, Ariesa.
Ay, sorry, on mute. Hello, good
There you
morning. Good
go.
morning, everyone. So, again, for those of you guys who can't access the course, they don't need to enroll. Just stand by in stacktrek.com. So there will still be the same experience. You'll be able to create your first program, right? Cass, is my screen visible? Okay, sige. So basically in stacktrek.com, you will see this one, start coding in seconds. Okay. Please comment um, done. If you can see this one. So start coding in seconds, right? So basically, what we'll be using will be Python. So why Python? So Python is known to be a very simple language. So it's similar with English. So it's very easy to understand. Okay. All right. Uh-huh. So again, guys, no need to log in. Just go into stacktrek.com. Then later on today, um, kindly present or screenshot your finished activity. Then make sure that you also um, enroll to our class. There will be a link later on sent to your email. That's a self-paced course that you need to enroll. So you need to send two screenshots. Number one, the finished activity. Number two, the enrolled that the screenshot that you enrolled to our self-paced course. Okay? So no need to enroll to the course again. Just go to stacktrek.com. You will have the same experience. Okay? You will be able to code your first ever program. Okay, without further ado, let's start. Okay, make sure to um, look into the indentation because we are using Python, so indentation is really really important, right? So, have you ever thought of making a program, or how do Lazada or even Shopee checks your age, if it's legal or not? Okay, so today we'll create a program that will ask a user for their name and of course their age. Okay, so let me start. Name, okay, is equal to input, right? Then we have age is equal to int. So when we say int, it means that it will accept numbers, okay? Because our age is in numerical. Then print, okay? We will be printing your name here. Hi, okay? Space, okay? Then your name. Then here is the exciting part. We have the if else statements. It is a conditional statement that will actually check if your age is over 18 or not. So if age is greater than 18, okay, you print legal age. Okay, please take note of the indentation. Again, please take note of the indentation. Else, print not legal age. Okay, not legal age. Right. So again, we have name, input, open and close parenthesis, age is equal to input, open and close parenthesis. We have your print here. Okay, so your hi is enclosed in double quote. Okay, you have your if statement. Okay, this is a colon, not semicolon. Okay, so make sure to follow my indentation. All right. So when you go here to custom inputs, okay, you could type here Ariesa, for example, then age 25. Okay, then you could run. Okay. Okay, as you can see here, hi Ariesa, it prints my name. Then my age is 25, so I'm legal age. Okay, so that's it. You could create your first program in just a few minutes. Okay, again, name is equal to input, age is equal to input. You have your conditional. If the age is greater than 18, then you print legal age. Um, Otherwise, you print not legal age, right? So once you're done, please comment completed. Okay? Once you're
Uh,
done, please comment completed.
yes. Okay. So, Ariasa, just one request. Can we have the page zoomed in for
Yeah,
those
sure,
who?
sure.
All right. There. So please comment down if you can see it and if you have completed, more especially if you have completed already.
Yes. So again, you have your custom input here. You key in any name. It could be your name, it could be your friend's name, your classmates. That's fine. So you have here then your age. Any age will do. So as long as, like for example, it's less than 18, so it should output not legal age. But if your age is greater than 18, it should output legal age. So that is the logic on how your apps or your websites check your age if you're legal or not. You just put a conditional statement. Okay? So if you're done, please comment completed and screenshot this one. Screenshot your activity. Okay? So you need that to get the certificate right after the event. Screenshot the activity. Number one, screenshot the activity. Number two, screenshot that you enrolled to our self-paced course, which will be there will be an email sent later on for that link. Okay. So our self-paced course will actually help you in your career, in your very first career in programming. Okay, it will include a very basic lesson in creating programs like this on your screen. Okay.
All right. For we have a few questions here, Ariesa. So I'm just going to, can we zoom a bit more the
Sure.
screen, because we have viewers or we have participants who are using mobile, so they might
Sure,
not
sure,
be
sure.
able to view it as clearly as they can. As okay, there you go. So we hope that is already visible on your end. Also, we have a question here who said,
Mm-hmm.
I can't select programming language. This is only for Python, correct?
Yes, oo.
Mm-hmm.
That's only for Python. Good, wait for a bit. Okay? That's only for Python.
Mm-hmm. All right.
Okay.
So right now we are going to use Python for now. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
All
Yeah.
right. And also, where do I write the code? There's no option. Okay, so please go to stacktrek.com. All right. Failed to execute the code for me. This is from Denris Provido. Failed to execute the code for me. How are we
You
going
could
to
check
address it? Mm-hmm.
if you have your custom input. Okay? So you could check if you have your custom input like this. You just need to key in your name, okay, and your age. Okay?
Yeah. Don't forget to also write there below the custom input, write there your name and your age.
Mm-hmm.
All right. And let us know if it's running already.
Okay, so if not later on, if the event will actually end, you could actually send a screenshot so we could further assist you if ever. Okay.
Yes. All right. There you go. So by the way, for those, since we are now having this at the stacktrek.com playground, just take a screenshot. For those who won't be able to complete it right now, take a screenshot and send it to us so that we can also give you your certificate of participation. All right. Adrian Latoga said enrolled but can't access. Adrian, you don't need to enroll. Just go to stacktrek.com.
Yes, we have a playground there. The same
Yes. So
playground
just
that you will be able to see when you enroll. Okay, so basically, right after this event, you could enroll to our self-paced course. You will be able to see more problems and
mhm.
more things like this.
All right. There you go. Okay. And also, Ariasa, could you share with them or walk them through for those who are accessing StackTrack for the first time? How are they going to navigate to go to the playground? So once they click
Mm,
stacktrack.com,
yeah, if you're in stacktrek.com, just go here in the section. Okay, just go down a bit in the
mhm,
section. Then you will see start coding in seconds.
there you go.
Yep,
All right. We have a lot already who have completed. That's great.
that's
That's
good.
great. Okay.
Congratulations in your first program.
Yes. Very good. Yeah, congratulations. So let this be the start of your programming journey.
Yes.
All right. Where should we send the screenshot? You can send them via email info@stacktrek.com, or you can send us the message through our Facebook page.
Okay, so I hope that you're really excited to kickstart your career. So the team will be sending a link for a self-paced course. So that's for you to try. Okay, there will be more problems like this. If you're really interested, I would suggest that you start with that course. Okay, there will be more courses soon. That's only a beginner level. Then there will be more courses soon that we will be announcing naman.
There you go. So this is not the only time you will be practicing your code. There are many opportunities for you to be able
Yes.
to practice, of course. All right, so it should appear as, so just go to stacktrek.com. No need to log in, no need
Yeah.
to sign up. There is a playground. Just scroll through the end of the page at at the website stacktrek.com, sorry, and you will see the playground just below the website.
Mm-hmm.
There you go. Okay. Yes, you can send the screenshot through email again, info
Stack
at
track.
stacktrack.com, and or you can use it or you can send it via StackTrek's Facebook page. All right, we have
Yes.
a lot here done, completed. That's great. Congratulations.
Yes.
Oh,
Congratulations.
we have one here from Kenneth de Guzman. Error EOF when reading a
Ah,
line.
it needs again, guys. You need to check your indentation because Python is very strict in indentation. Okay, you need to check. Then
Mhm.
you need to also check if you have inputted your inputs here. Okay, like Ariesa 25. You could just change it to your name and change it to your age. That's fine.
Yeah, so it's very or the spacing here is very sensitive with Python, so you need
Yeah.
to be careful.
Oo.
So it's an indentation, like the
Yeah.
tab one, not a space, correct?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Should
so
be
not the
indentation.
space, not the space key, but the indentation. Okay. And make sure to also write something in your custom input.
Yes.
All right.
It needs to
Mm,
be two inputs: your age and your name.
that's correct. So it will tell you when once you are done, once you run the code, uh, at the output tab, it should tell you hi and then your name and then if you are legal or not.
Yes. Do you when you kickstart your career in tech, you'd be amazed on how those line of codes could actually automate your work or the things that you usually do. Okay. Apart
Mm-hmm.
from which, as what mentioned by Isai, a career in tech is one of the highest paid jobs around the world.
Yes, that's around the world.
Yes. Especially during the pandemic. No? During the pandemic,
Mm-hmm.
everyone realized that, well, hey, tech is important. Uh, hey,
Mm-mm.
tech helped the economy move despite of the pandemic.
Yeah,
Parang
so we
ganun siya.
don't, yes, everyone was affected by this. Everyone were having or were shifting to remote type of work,
Yes.
even in schools. So we
Yes.
have our classes via or virtually. So that means more opportunities for the IT industry.
Yes. Oo. Even small business right now are actually up
Mm-hmm.
um to be uh to be visible online
Mm-mm.
because that's how easier or that's easier for them to reach their customers. Okay.
Mm-hmm. Yes, if you have noticed, even with the food industry, if you do not
Mm-hmm.
have the online website, you won't be able to keep up with
Yes.
the other businesses. So you
Mm-mm.
have to at least you will have a bit of a knowledge when it comes to the IT industry. So we
Mm-hmm.
have here some participants asking where to send the screenshot. We have flashed here on the screen. Once you're done, send a screenshot via info@stacktrek.com or
Mm-hmm.
message us at fb.com/stacktrek. So that's the Facebook page. Stacktrek.com redirects to shops and I can't log in. No
Shops.
need. I think the marketplace. I think this is what Wendell is
Okay,
trying
yeah. No
to
need to
say.
log in.
No need to log in, Wendell. So just go to, if you have an account, that's great. For easier access, log out and then just type stacktrek.com, not
Mm-hmm.
the ones with the account, and then go to the bottom of the page. Scroll down. Hindi ko mabasa yung code. Hehe. Reconnecting po. All right. So again, let me just also verbally say it. So we have name equals sign. So name
Sige, sige ako na lang
space.
ka. Sige.
Sige. Okay.
Sige.
Go,
Name
Arnetta.
equals sign. Input,
Mhm.
open, close parenthesis. Okay, that's how we get the inputs. So basically here, by default, naka-string siya. Okay, so we have
Mhm.
age is equal to int. So integer, int, open, close parenthesis. Inside that, you put input, open, close parenthesis. Okay, then print, print, open, close parenthesis. Inside, you have your double quote, hi, space, double quote, space, plus name, name, name. Okay, so make sure to have your parenthesis, okay, the left and right parenthesis, okay. So if age, okay, is greater than 18, colon, print, print, open, close, parenthesis, okay, then inside it, you have your double quote, then inside your double quote, you print the message that you want to print. Like for example, in our case, we have legal age, else, okay, colon, print, open, close, parenthesis, okay, you have your double quote. Inside your double quote, you have your not legal age, right? So basically that's it. Okay, so name is equal to input, age is equal to input. You print hi plus name. Okay, if age is greater than 18, colon, print double quote legal age, else print not legal age inside your double quote. Okay, when we print messages or like this, like for example hi, we enclose it in double quote. Okay,
Mhm.
so please don't baka malito kayo. This is a colon, not semicolon. Okay.
There you have it. We have a question here from Swing Taborda.
Yes.
My spacia after name?
Yes po.
Yes,
Space
there's a
up.
name.
Yeah, pwede
Mhm.
din. Space after name or wala, that's fine. Pero before, there is. Bali, space plus name. Parang ganon.
All right. There you have it. Also, we have a question here from Joanna
Mm-hmm.
Supatan. Do Python only use indentation or gumagamit pa din ng spaces, at least in coding?
Yeah, oo. Gumagamit pa din ng spaces. Like, if you can see here, if, space din naman, age, space,
Mhm.
greater than 18. So, yung indentation kasi, it shows that, um, ito yung gagawin mo if ito yung nangyari. Parang
Mhm.
inside siya. So, parang
Mhm.
tree. So, this will be the mother, what? The parent, and this will be the child. So, parang ganun siya. So, if
Mhm.
ito yung condition niya, ito yung gagawin mo. So, with that,
Mhm.
you need to use indentation. Okay, so
There
later
you have.
on, if you enroll to our self-paced course, you'll be able to see that meron din tayong tinatawag na nested. So, if nested naman, there will be another if statement inside the if statement. So, you could try to enroll to our course for you to be able to see yung mga other other problems that would need conditionals. Okay.
Mm-hmm. There you have it. So the indentation uh, is important because
Mm,
it's like it's it completes the condition na yung if. So
mm.
ito yung lalabas. Ito yung
Oo,
ipiprint
if
niya.
if
Mm-hmm.
ganito yung ano, if ganito yung condition, ito yung
Mm-hmm.
lalabas. Kung hindi
Yes.
naman, ito yung lalabas. So
Mm-hmm.
it's basically like that.
There you go. So that's a great question. We have here from Alison Sassy. Just
Mm,
a comment. Sensitive yata si Python sa white space. First time ko gumamit ng Python. Congratulations! You have coded
mm.
your first Python programming
Yeah,
language.
actually, ano din, trivia din. So Python could be also be used in data science. Okay, that will lead to machine learning, something like that. So usually Python is used in those kind of tracks as well. So very nice talaga na mag-start yung ano mo journey with
Mhm.
Python. Apart from it's very easy to understand. You could upgrade your career in like for example data science, machine learning, and as well as there could be web development naman. Okay, so Python is very very useful.
Mhm. There you go. Cannot select a language, sabi ni Davi Escutin. So right now we are only using Python as of now. So if you go
Mm-hmm.
to other courses that we have here, Ariasa, are they able to choose the programming language?
Um, for now, hindi pa. For our courses kasi we began with Python as well. But,
Mm-hmm.
well, hopefully, later on, you'll be able to select na. But for our courses, we patterned it in Python para easy to understand siya.
All right, there you go.
Okay.
And to
So,
also plug in, so at we also have other. You can also practice challenges, and there you can choose your programming
yes.
languages. You
Mm-mm.
can head to stackleague.com. So that's also another place where you can improve your skills, and there you
Yes.
can also choose. You can solve
Mm-mm.
as many challenges as you can. All
Kasi
right.
in programming kasi you'll get the hang of it if you practice. So hindi siya parang you just read parang gano'n, no.
Mhm. Mm.
You get more experience once you practice. Okay, your logical thinking will be sharpened moving
Mhm.
forward.
That's correct. So you have to practice it,
Mhm.
not just stay in theory and read as many resources as you
Oo.
can. That's good, that's helpful, but you need to really apply it. Code,
Mm.
start coding. All right. Oh, we have another here. Gilbert Almazan said, "Paano po pag double name sa custom input?"
Puwede din naman, but you need to add another input here. So, like for example, name 2 is equal to input. So, pwede na naman, but we need to print it again. Okay? So, you
Mm-hmm.
could add as much input as you like naman. Okay,
Okay,
so
there
once
you.
you create your variables, make sure that it's readable. No? Minsan kasi we create variables with one letter, like Z, input, ganun. So, it's okay, pero hindi siya advisable. It's not in the coding standards na we create
Mm-mm.
variables like that. Okay, so make sure to coding in a practice your coding standards then. Make sure that it's readable, not only for you, but also for your team soon, if you'll be in the
Mhm.
tech industry.
Okay, there you have it. We have here from, okay, so maybe we can, let's see. Let's try this question from Royce Hortaleza. Why does Python not use a semicolon?
Mhm. So, that's a good question. So, Python's syntax is different from the others. So, we have JavaScript now. If we use JavaScript or parang C sharp, you need to you put semicolon right after everything. But for Python, that's their syntax not use semicolon.
All right, there. And as much as we would like to uh answer all of your questions and concerns here. Don't worry. If we weren't able to cover your
Mhm.
concerns or your questions, you can go to StackTrek's Facebook page and message us there the problems that you encountered until you have completed. So you can also submit or send us a screenshot.
Mhm.
Maybe we can take two more. We have here from Daisy Talagtag. Case sensitive po ba si Python?
Okay, so that's a good question. No? For this one, these are what we call reserved words. Okay? So, input ganito, this is case sensitive. No? But if for this one, like for example, this is your variable, it should be the same talaga. Hindi pwede na name to, then name dito na maliit. Okay? It should be the same. Okay? Pero, okay din naman if name dito na malaki, then you copy it na name din dito na big letter, capital N, that's fine. Okay? So, but for what we call reserved words, like input, print, ganito, sorry, okay. Input, okay, it should be small letters. Okay? Print, P, I for if, should be small letters. Okay?
There you go. Okay, so um, we have here, let's try one last question. We actually have a lot of questions here that are very good ones, but it might take time in answering.
Mm.
So just message us at fb.com/stacktrek. We will be assisting you there. The last question is from Francis Phillips. Pwede po ba gumawa ng website gamit ang Python?
Well, yes, but not just Python. You need to learn HTML, parang ganon. So,
Mhm,
hindi siya like Python only. Okay? So, usually
mhm,
when we make website, we use others like HTML din, plus Python, plus ganito. So,
mm-mm.
well, moving forward, no, we're actually creating a web development track course then for you to be able to head start your career in web development. So you'll be
Mhm.
able to see there. Okay, but yes, you could actually partner Python with HTML and so on and so forth.
There you go. So it's a lot more complex. So it's not just
Yeah.
like this anymore. But since you have started already, of course, the only thing you can do now is to move forward and learn
Mhm.
more.
Yes,
Okay, there you go. So that's okay. So I think we have actually a lot of people have completed their first
that's good to
program
know.
already. So congratulations to everyone who successfully uh, ran your first program. And
Mhm.
that's all done in like average 15 minutes. So,
Oo.
guys, let's
That
go
is
to
how how easy to head start your career in coding. You just need parang determination to do it.
there. Yes, determination to do it. And very important to just do it. Start doing it.
Practice. Practice
Mhm.
talaga.
Yes, practice. So, also, this isn't the only course that we have. This is
Mhm.
just the playground actually of StackTrek. So go ahead and sign up. Sign up for an account, and you will discover there's so many courses that we have wherein you can practice more and learn more. All right.
Yeah.
So thank you again. Thank you very much, Ariasa, for walking us
Thank you.
through
Thank you
our
so much.
first program. Also, thank you for answering the questions that our participants have. Again, if you have other questions you want to be addressed, go
Mhm.
message us at
Mhm.
fb.com/stacktrack. Okay. Thank you very much again,
Thank
Ariasa.
you so much.
All right, so there you have it. Again, congratulations to everyone who participated. If you haven't completed yet, don't worry. Uh, we can still assist you until you have completed your first program. Just send us a message, and then once you are done with all of this, once you have successfully run your code, just send us a screenshot for your certificate of participation. All right, now and also, if you have any questions about the IT tech trends, you can type them or you can message us also. We would be very happy to answer all these questions. And as much as we want to cover all of your concerns, your questions right now, for everyone who's very excited. That's all for our session and Q&A portion. Now, um, before we will be ending our event or the session this morning, I would like to give a few announcements actually and opportunities for everyone here. Um, we have all right, so we have here for those who want to continue on improving your programming skills, as I've mentioned before, and receive prizes while you're at it, you can sign up for Stack League and solve as many challenges as you can. And to sign up for an account, just go to stackleague.com. So there you can even choose the programming languages. You will encounter challenges wherein you will be able to improve more on your skills. So, if you also have more questions for our speakers this morning, you can go to StackTrek's Facebook page and send us your queries. You may also email us at info@stacktrek.com. And don't forget to also follow the ICT's Facebook page. That's fb.com/DICTGovPH to learn more about their upcoming events. So there are many platforms for you to be able to improve and continue your coding journey and also in eventually in your tech career. So make sure to visit DICT's Facebook page as well. And as Ariasa have mentioned before, if you want to take a self-paced course and learn more, you can go to bit.ly slash, let me flash it here first on the screen. Okay, here you go. So if you want to take this self-paced course, you can go to bit.ly/StackTrek code functions. So there you will also be able to learn many other things. Okay, so that's again bit.ly/StackTrek code functions. You will also be receiving an email with this one, so don't worry. Now, to get updates on webinars such as this, so this is just one of the many sessions that we will have. Like and follow our Facebook page. Again, that's fb.com/StackTrek. And stay tuned for our next sessions. And that's all for our session this morning. Congratulations to everyone and thank you for participating. On behalf of the Stack Trek team, I would like to say thank you to everybody for joining the Code Your Future webinar with Stack Trek in collaboration with the Department of Information and Communications Technology, Jumpstarting Your Tech Career. This has been your host, Casey. Have a great day ahead, everyone.